Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Sonos Arc to Apple TV. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here you will see on the Reddit people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Any HDMI input will work as long as the ARC is connected to eARC. Yes, it will play Atmos. I am sure there are some settings to need to change. This is the question. Logically, Sonos should still be connected to TV's eARC port. But given that Apple TV will be playing the content, will be able to send signal over regular HDMI port of TV to Sonos? So this is the answer provided by the peoples. Yeah, I have got the same setup and probably most other peoples too. Sonos Arc is connected to eARC HDMI TV. So we'll need to connect Sonos Arc to eARC HDMI TV port of your Apple TV. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.